Hi, hi, I'm Mukesh. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog and set the layout, setting robot keywords, and creating the templates and various aspects of the blog, Google Blogger. So we'll start. First, go to the googleblogger.com. Here we'll go. So here we'll have the login account. If you have Google account, so you can log it. I have. So once we log, we'll see the main screen. So we'll see here new blog. So first of all, we'll click here. We'll go for this the title. So you can write here title. So protect environment. Here you can select your own template. There are a number of templates are there, or you can later select. So here I am writing product.blogspot.com. Okay, so if it is available here, it will show that this blog is available. If it is not available, it will show the blog is not available. So we can create this blog selecting. I will select this template later on. So it is creating. So here is some problem. Okay, so so the blog is already created. Now what we'll do, second step, we'll click this block. So we'll have the page where we will have the status. Like, see, previously I have created one blog just before. So it will show like this graph, the number of visitors, and there are some Google uh, there are a lot of links are there which will suggest you how to configure what is the value and how you can earn money. So you can go through those links, and here you will show the number of visitors, how many visitors are visiting regularly to your page. If the number of visitors is high, if your blog is good and contents are good, then the number of visitors will gradually increase.
It's 12:30.
And now we'll create a new post. Here, for creating new post, we'll include our content into the blog. So our your content should be related to your blog. Like, I have created the blog is product environment. So first we'll write a blog, we'll write a post. Don't pollute air. Pollute air. Plant tree. So I am adding one picture here for just just a like some the content should be related to your blog. So I'm including a picture of nature, so it will support my blog. So just for example, so here we have just if you have more content, you can put the content, your pictures, whatever it is, you can put here. Now it will automatically save, and you can see the preview of that blog before publishing. So we have the preview of that blog here. So it is ready to publish, so we can publish here. So before publishing, it will show uh, it will if you have Google Plus means if you have Google Plus account and the number of users, it will help the number of people to visit your blog, and it will increase your traffic speed also. So you can share into the Google Plus. I'm not sharing it, I'm canceling it here. So here first post is created, and we have the option edit. You can edit it later, content if you want, and you can delete it, you can share it later and view it here. So here we will have the number of visitors and number of views already. One single click is that. So this is the post of first post we have created. Later we have see status. So it will give the status geographically, that how your audience is, where this how many audience in your India and world. It will show graphically and also uh, geographically, or also uh, here it will give the status, traffic status here, and it will give uh, different post and the traffic status and the traffic source, the operating systems or whatever. So later we have the earnings. So if you have number of visitors more and more, then you can earn including uh, your blog into the AdSense, and making advertisement on your blog. Later we have campaign. In the campaign we could add word. So it is not free, you have to pay some amount for that, and to increase your traffic speed. Templates. So here the template, in the template will uh, will see the layout, and how it will view, what will the view into your when it is going to load the page into the desktop or in the mobile. So here we have you can customize this customize that template. There are various templates are available here. So if we use this template, so we can add this one, so it will look like this. So I'm adding this and apply to the block. Will apply to the block. So you can change the backgrounds, adjust widths and all. Layouts, I will discuss layout later on. And advance, here is the CSS code also. We can change in there are various type of changes we can change, and CSS code is also available here. We can change it here. So the all those changes you can make later on. So I am changing this layout here and applying to the block. So it will show after applying will return back to the blogger. So it will look like this. So because it is environmental related, so I have changes like I look like that, so it is environment friendly. We have the HTML code here. If you have this type of HTML, and various type of codes are included here, JavaScript and all. So we can change this code and change the template. So I'm not making change here in the code. So another thing is, if I want to change the looks of our own look, our own desired template, then we can change this according to our wish. So here, suppose if I want to change here our own template, so I have my own template, download template. So I have downloaded one template, and we have one XML file of this template included. It supports, Google supports only XML file for the template. If it is okay, then we'll go it will choose this the template types and all suitable for the Google. It will say okay, upload button will highlight, otherwise it will show some error while pressing upload. So I'm here pressing upload. So once I press upload, the template changed. On the desktop version, I'm explaining only the desktop version. So we have this type of template now. So as according to our wish, so before going to change the template, you make sure that your everything is safe now with the code has been changed and uploaded here. So further you can make change in the code, and you can you you can use that template. Like, so my template has been changed and it is look like this. So now we are going to here that layout. So first of all, I'm going to the Blogger. I will show you the default layout of that Google Pro. So actually I haven't shown you the layout first. So the layout will be like that only after changing the template, whatever the template layout is. So here it will change all those things. The default, uh, this is not default layout, it is template layout. So default layout will be like Google provides according to their templates. So so Google provides, sorry, Google provides some default layouts. So you can make change on that layout also, and also add gadgets here. Here I have changed the template, so our layout is according to our template, so it is changed. But Google provide some different type of layout. So we have the different type of gadgets. We can add like blogger status, link test, etc. Different type of gadgets are there. See, suppose we have to link this, so I have to link something. So first of all, what I have to, first I'm giving you one example of that. So go to the Blogger. So I am copying this link. So here, after changing the template, we have no post. After changing the template, we have no post. So we will post later on. Clicking here, we'll see first the. So here is the here our changed template blog product nature. Product environment. So what we have, so I was a little bit confused. So here I have changed the template of the nature product nature. So we have one if we want to change this layout, if we want to link this, we can link it here, changing the code into the layout. So here we can make changes. See, suppose I want to make my blog. See, suppose I want to change my here blog to, for example, so I'm writing here Java. Actually this is for example only, this is not related to the site. For example, I'm in the nature we can add Java. So just I am, for example, I am adding this. So now we can view the blog. See, here we have one option Java. When click here, so it is, we can see this blog. So just I am giving you example how to link and how to change the templates into your blog. So now we can go for settings. Here we have lots of options, so we can edit the our main blog. Like you can change the name later on, you can change the descriptions also, you can change your letter blog whatever you want to. Actually, if you want to modify this, you can modify this one, and here you can change it yes. If you change yes, it will support HTTP and HTTP sites also, HTTPS sites also, protocols also, HTTP and HTTPS protocol also. Now here we have so like we have changes, basic changes. So another thing, you can make so many changes here according to your wish. Later we can search options. So there are various options are there. Custom redirection, robust. Here these two things are important. Custom robust text. Uh, if you click here some are code are available. We'll see later on. Here we have available code for making search more proficient for this blog into Google. And so make it yes and change the code for this blog, and then select all whatever it is according to, and make save changes yes. So this will make your blog more visitable, more searchable into the Google. And one more thing I want to discuss here. uh, there are ad gadget is there. So in here in the ad gadget, if we search SEO, that for increase your traffic, you can search one gadget is there which will increase your traffic speed, making your SEO more searchable. Also some another sites, make it searchable from another site, like so I have made it in my blog, previous blog in Java J2E. So here there are options which make your blog more searchable, and it will increase your traffic speed of your blog. So this is all about the Google Blogger. Some more details